Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at how you could create fake messages back and forth between two characters in a movie, a book, or in history. We're using fakewhats.com generator, and I'd recommend having something set up, some sort of story that's creating a Google Doc or something like that, and then you can go through the different settings that you see right up in here. So I'm going to go ahead and start this. Be right back. Okay, so I have all the settings set up with Thomas Jefferson being the one to start it. I'm going to come all the way over here to messages, and I'm going to start typing with him as a gray bubble. Okay, so I put the first one in. You can see it comes up right here. Now, if I'm ready for Napoleon to respond, what I need to do is remove that, select green bubble, and paste in, and then select add to conversation. So now you can see it's going to go back and forth. Okay, so I have everything all set up. It's ready to go. What I could do is I could just take a screenshot of that or go ahead and download the image. We're going to download the image for right now, and then we're going to go ahead and just select it here and say save image as and save it to my computer. So as you can see what comes up, it looks like this. There's not enough room to put a lot on, so I'm just going to make another one. Okay, so you can see I created another one here and downloaded it to my computer. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into slides and I'm just going to insert those two images, and then I'm also going to insert a black phone as well. I'll show you how I do that with the black phone in a sec. Okay, so I've inserted two images by going into insert image, upload from computer. But now I need to search the web, and I'm going to search for a black phone. So when I do that, you can see it's right here. When I drag it over, you can see it looks like this. What I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to just double click or use two fingers on my keyboard or keypad and go to order and bring to front. So now you can go ahead and you can shrink that down to fit. I'm going to do the same thing with the other conversation as well. Okay, so you can see I have both of them. What I'm going to do is go to File. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download these. You can save them as a JPEG, PNG, whatever it is you like. I'm going to do a JPEG for right now. And then you can see the image come up right here. And there you have it. So kind of fun. Any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care.